Alright, in this video we're going to talk about finding the equation and slope-intercept form when we're only given 2 points. So you've been given 2 points, you need to find the slope and the y-intercept and plug it in to our equation. First example, we're going to have these 2 points here. 4, 4, those are 4's right there, and -2, 1. Now remember, you need 2 things to find slope-intercept form. They're in the name. Slope, and then the y-intercept, that's what we're talking about. So we're going to find slope first, because that's what we know how to find. So y2 minus y1, take 1 minus 4, -2 minus 4. Remember, it does not matter which one's x1 or y1, x2, y2, just make sure you stay consistent. I put the x1, y1's over here. 1 minus 4 is -3. -2 minus 4 is -6. Remember, slope has to be simplified. This is positive because there's a negative on top and bottom, and it reduces down to 1/2. Alright, so that is half my answer, slope. So we have slope. So now this is a problem you've seen before. Take slope in one of the points to find slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is use, there's my slope. The point I'm going to use is -2, 1. And that's what point I'm going to use. So I'm going to plug in my numbers. So that is my numbers. Now I just solve. 1 equals -1 plus b. You get that by taking 1/2 times -2. Now you add 1 to both sides. You get b equals 2 because 1 plus 1. So we have our answer, but we need to plug it in to find the final answer. So this would be your final answer. There we go. Alright, so we still have another one. So other examples right here, we have 2, 3, and -1, -3. So I told you can do either way with x1 and y1, so we're going to do it the other way around. Make these x1 and y1 and x2, y2, just to show that we can do that. Remember, find slope first, take 3 minus -3 over 2 minus -1. Remember, if you have minus and negative, change it into a plus sign. Remember that. That's the only way you can. If the second number is negative, so you add 3 plus 3, 2 plus 1, you get 6 over 3, which is 2. Remember, y is going on top, x is going on bottom. That's something important. So now that we have that, we can plug in a point and a slope into our problem to find b. Actually, right underneath it. So we get 3 equals 2 times 2 plus b. Plug in our numbers from right there. I'm just going to go to the right a little bit. Before. So you should get b equals -1. So once again, we have our other things. We have slope and we have y-intercept, so we are good. There we go. Remember, since it's -1, we can put -1.